Hello friends. Welcome to Arctic Digital's online classroom. You joined this course after deciding to pursue a career in graphic design. This means that you can be sure that your career will definitely take off. After completing the course, you can decide whether to get a job or start your own business at the end of the course. You want to understand each lesson in the course practically. The assignments given below are to be completed and submitted regularly within the allotted time. If there is any doubt, ask at that time and get it resolved. This first lesson covers the overall course syllabus, sequential course structure, what you will learn throughout the year, and what designs you are going to make in the job business after completing the course. We will understand that. If you study regularly for a year, you will finally say that a career in graphic design is easy and simple. Let us know more about this graphic design course. If you want to make a career as a perfect graphic designer, we have divided the main two groups into the minimum things that you should learn. The first group covers the basic concepts of graphic design and the practical study of how designs are made for all types of printing. In that, 1. Vector graphic design, 2. Raster graphic design, and 3. Prepress graphic design are the three subjects. Studies in this first group cover the concept of graphic design with printing. So in another group based on the same concept. 4. Web design, and 5. Social media design has 2 subjects. By completing 5 courses of these 5 subjects sequentially, you can easily do any graphic design required for print, web, and social media. The first subject is vector graphic design. In vector graphic design, we will learn basic drawing, perfect shaping, color study, object drawing, typography, special effects, layout, composition, etc. CorelDRAW and Illustrator are 2 professional softwares for vector graphic design. We will first use CorelDRAW software to learn vector graphics. After understanding the basic concept of vector graphic design, you can easily use any vector graphics software. This first CorelDRAW course of 30 lessons is completed in 60 days with practical. But to complete it with more practical studies, you get a total of 100 days. You can give the exam anytime between 60 and 100 days. After clearing this first exam, you can take admission in the second Raster graphic design course. Raster graphic design mainly involves the study of pixel image editing. A scanned image or a photo taken by a camera is to be edited in various ways and used in graphic design. Here we are going to do a practical study of Photoshop for raster graphic design. In it, we will learn image editing, photo retouching, mixing 2 or more photos, color adjustment, filter effects, and other essentials for various types of print and web design. This second Photoshop course of 30 lessons is completed in 60 days with practicals. But to complete it by studying more, you get 100 days. You can give the exam anytime between 60 and 100 days. After clearing this second exam, you can take admission to the third Prepress graphic design course. Graphic design for any type of printing is created using a combination of vector and raster objects. That is, the design has to be created using both CorelDRAW and Photoshop software at the same time. Also, depending on the type of printing, the methods of designing and artwork are different. So how graphic design is created with considering the printing process? This is the main syllabus of this course. Offset printing, rotogravure printing, flexo printing, screen printing, digital printing, In this course, we will learn various methods of designing and making artworks by understanding these types of printing. Although these three courses are related to print media, the design concepts in these are definitely applicable to web design. So you can do a fourth, web design and blogging course. Web design is mainly HTML, CSS and JavaScript. At least these three languages have to be learned. But without any such coding, you can make any static and dynamic professional website on WordPress platform. Like graphic design, it is very important to understand the basic concept of web design. It includes domain name registration, website hosting, along with design theme, layout, header, footer, pages, sidebar, widgets, blog posting, menu design, various plugins, page builders and forms. During the course period, you will learn how to create your own website, your blog, a portfolio of your work, which you can use to get a job or to start your own business. After website design, you need to learn social media design, which is very important for business growth, for personal, family, social, educational, and professional communication, as well as information, addressing, advertising, promotion, entertainment. Social media is a free and very effective medium for all. Social media works to introduce you to the world by showing who you are, your knowledge, your art, your skills, by sitting in one place. Today there is no other tool as effective as social media to prove your existence. It is very important in digital marketing. Social media works to bring the businessman directly to his customers. Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, for such social media. Attractive page designs, promotional posts, creative advertisements, business-related articles, video making, your own YouTube channel, lead generation, and we are going to do practical study of many other related things in this course. After completing at least these 5 graphic design courses, you can create a wide variety of designs for print and web. Let us first make a list of the graphic designs you are going to create after completing the course. After completing the course, we will look at the types of graphic designs you will need to create in the workplace or when starting your own business. Logo design. At the beginning of any business, there is a need to create a logo which is known as the identity of that business. Corporate ID design. That means designing business cards, letterheads, and envelopes for that business, which is the first recognition and first impression of that business. Stationery design. Regular stationery required for business like bill book, receipt book, etc. to be created. Leaflet or flyer design. A leaflet is a single page, front or both sides printed information of a company or product. It is also called a flyer. Folder or booklet design. It is a folder of 2 or 3 pages with front back folded in 1 or 2 places. Folder or booklet designs are to be made especially for company profiles and product catalogs. Poster and banner design. Wall poster and banner design is required for company, product advertisement or promotion purposes. Hoarding design. On the sides of roads, on top of buildings, these advertisements printed in large size are called hoardings. Such hoarding designs are to be made to easily attract the attention of people while passing by. Sticker design. We always see stickers of various schemes, offers, pasted on products, on walls, at various places. Dangler design. In shops, showrooms, and malls. Designs printed on both sides with die-cut in attractive shapes and hanging using thread are called danglers. A dangler works to attract and remind the customer to buy it. iCard design. iCards are required for school, college students, institute employees, company workers. It is to be made by printing on a variety of materials, including card holders and ribbons. Standee design. These standees are placed on the ground, in front of stalls, shops, showrooms, malls, and exhibitions, and are generally 3 by 6 feet in size. Signboard design. From tea stalls to shops, showrooms, offices, malls, every place needs a signboard. Packaging label design. Many types of plastic or glass bottles of various sizes have a printed or pasted label. This design has to be made according to the size of the product and the type of printing. Packaging box design. Many daily use products, such as soaps, toothpaste, spices, medicines, are packed in boxes. Take a stroll through the mall and you will see hundreds of products packed in boxes. Packaging pouch design. From small fennel packing to various spices, wafers, oils, and bakery products, many things are packed in plastic pouches. Publication. Book cover design. Book cover design is very important in print publishing. After reading the entire book, one has to creatively make a meaningful and attractive cover design according to its content. Publication. Newspaper or magazine. Your daily familiar newspaper or magazine is a good example of graphic design. The composition of news with photos, headlines, different sizes of ads, their layout, stories and supplements, various headlines need attractive and creative design. Invitation card. Engagement, wedding, naming, Vastu Shanti, or any function is a prestigious thing. It requires an attractive invitation card design. Wedding album. An attractive album, made by artistic mixing of selected wedding photos, is also a great example of graphic design. Event management. Birthdays, weddings, felicitations, exhibitions, plays. Such events require stage decoration, it also a graphic design. Advertising agency. An advertising agency deals with the total branding of a company, product or service. Advertising and marketing is needed to grow any business. Graphic design plays an important role in this along with marketing skills. Graphic design is not limited to print media, but has become the backbone of the rapidly expanding web, mobile apps, and social media. Web design. No matter how strong the back end is, ultimately graphic design is needed to make the website look good on the front end. Using a platform like WordPress, you can easily create a website without coding. Blog design. For personal and professional website promotion. A blog design is required to publish relevant articles regularly. Social media design. Entertainment, education, news, and promotion. In all fields like this, social media gives instant information about the latest happenings and directly conveys the businessman to his customers. In order to survive in the business competition, one has to design creative advertising and promotional posts in social media. Digital marketing. SMS marketing, WhatsApp marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, Facebook, Google Ads, lead generation, and web analytics. Many things come in digital marketing. And for all these, graphic design is required first. Animation. In 2D, 3D animation, web animation, text animation, and VFX effects. Composition is very important in all types of animation. Animation is made up of slightly spaced frames, and every frame in that animation is a graphic design. Filmmaking. TV ads, documentaries, short films, and full films are all moving and talking graphic designs. Dialogue, songs, and music composition are also graphic design. In summary, graphic design is an art form. The art skill required to do any job well is graphic design. Building plans, interior design, architectural perspective, fashion design, textile design, product design are many things that require graphic design. This should have given you an idea of the scope of graphic design and careers in it. With so many career opportunities in graphic design, you can pursue a career in any field of your choice.